I mean, friend.
Okay, I'm not gonna move at all.
Okay. Oh, that came out like a tank. Oh, Spitz. No. Oh!
What the hell?
How did I not get that?
I don't know, because he's a hacker.
Oh, he's a hack!
Come on, we're expecting more from you.
Yeah, don't worry, it's coming. Ow. That was not... That didn't come out.
What?
Got this dude, yep. Crapping hell.
Come on, that's not fair. I'm trying to play Call of Duty Ghosts, but I can't because I'm holding my camera. I've got an idea.
Ah, hero!
First, just let me take a selfie.
Ah!
Screw you. Shut up! Is there anyone in this lobby with a mic? Come on, we need friends. Give me a friend. My friend. If you be my friend.
Does your mum mind me doing that?
No.
Okay, good.
She's not even home at the moment.
Who's that then? Or is that just TV? Or your brother?
That's my brother, man. Anyone in this lobby, if you'll be our friends, and I'll show you my tits. That was a good one.
That was a really good
That was a good
one.
one.